Hey guys, today we have a fun project of cleaning up our shed, which neither one of us,
Yay.
yeah, we don't really feel like putting any elbow grease into this. Now we could just fill up a bucket of water with some soap and get in there with some sponges, and it's vinyl siding, it's 12 feet long, so it's a little bit of elbow grease. We don't really like the pressure washer because of just the stream of water and so on. So we saw this product here, 30 seconds cleaner, which we bought with our own money, by the way. We saw somebody on YouTube talking about it, and then we saw an actual commercial for it on YouTube. So I said, let's go ahead and buy this, and so we can get the shed cleaned up and not have to put hours into it. You know, if we can do it in 30 seconds, I don't think it's going to take 30 seconds according to the directions. Now, something I want you to look at here, if you buy this product and try it, is that different surfaces require different amounts of time for it to sit. Now, you should never let it just sit and dry for a long period. It's going to be anywhere from 3 minutes to 15 minutes on certain surfaces, but you have to keep it wet. So we're hoping that we're going to be able to give the side of the shed a quick spray, and that it's only going to take 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off, as well as anything that's surrounding the area. When you do this, make sure you wear old clothes. This can discolor your clothing. It can irritate your skin. You don't want it to get into your eyes. So you want to do it on a day that's not so windy. So what are we going to do? We're going to do it on the windiest day of the week.
Why not?
Why not? So we're just going to be careful. We're not going to stand in the wind. We won't stand downwind of the product. Will we? Is that a commitment?
I can't make any promises, but I will wear safety glasses.
Oh my gosh.
And I will wear gloves when I do this, so that way, make sure you do that, guys. Protect your eyes, protect your hands, protect yourself, because that's the most important thing. Nothing is worth hurting yourself over. So this is corrosive. Don't get it on you. Don't get it on anything you care about. And if you do, rinse it very quickly.
And ladies, stand at least 50 feet away from your husband while he's spraying this, because we just don't know what's going to happen. Girls, I mean, help me out here. Somebody comment, please.
Especially if you have the MFR coming out of the mouth, you know, that sometimes happens. Did I say that out loud?
From who?
You know, if it's blowing into your face, you might say
MFR.
MFR.
You don't want to be saying MFR while your husband is spraying 30 seconds cleaner. You don't want your mouth open, and you don't want to be within spraying distance. You guys, this could be used as a weapon.
Oh boy.
So anyway, because you want to clean your mouth out, we're going to clean your mouth out.
Nice and shiny
This
smell.
30 seconds cleaner is not intended
Do
for
not
cleaning
swallow
potty
this
mouth.
product.
Yeah, don't swallow it. If you're thirsty in the yard, don't swallow it. Anyway, guys, no kidding. So we're just going to show you, this is very basic. You take the cap off. There's going to be a protective coating in there. First, connect this blue end to your sprayer, to your hose, with your hose in off. You want your water off. Connect this. Put your dip end into the bottle. Then turn your hose on. Make sure it's in the off position. You're going to see on the top it says off, and then it says clean, and then you have rinse. So you start in the off position, you spray from clean, and then when you're done saturating the area, you switch your nozzle to rinse. Okay, so after it has sat, you go to rinse, and then you respray it. So we're going to, we'll show you how we actually hook this into the bottle, and then we're going to show you how we spray it, and we're going to show you how we rinse it, and hopefully we're going to see incredible results in 30 seconds. Farmer John's having a spasm.
Because I need to say something.
Go ahead.
This could reach 24 feet.
24, oh yeah.
Now, I'm not sure.
Second floor.
We're not going to do 24 feet
We're
today.
not.
And we're not going to spray it up into the sky.
We're not.
So we're not going to test 24 feet, but this can reach up to 24 feet.
And if you do need to go up to your second story, again, don't do it on a windy day. You take this red pin out for higher stories of things. So, but
Safety glasses, guys.
safety glasses. All right, here we go. So I'm not taking any chances. I've put some plastic up on the one side of where my lettuce bed is, because the lettuce is right next to the area that we're about to clean. So we're you know, the wind is not steady, it's just coming in gusts, so we're gonna have to be really careful. But you can see just the grime, and I mean, this is just basic dirt and some algae, a little bit of green stuff. Hopefully this is gonna clean up quick. We do have to be really careful though, because I don't really like the direction that the wind is blowing in, so hopefully we're gonna get some quick results here. Guys, so we just took the blue cap off, and you just take, you know, the piece of plastic and you push down. Go ahead.
The dip tube.
Tighten it
Just
up.
tighten it up.
Make sure your threading is good.
Nice and tight.
And then we're going to connect the hose there. To the blue end of the nozzle.
Make sure not to cross thread like I just did. Nice and tight.
We're going to make sure it's in the off position.
It is off.
Okay, now I'm going to go turn the power on.
The water?
Yeah, so make sure that it's easy to turn,
Yeah,
okay?
so-
Because it's a little stiff for me with my small hands, you guys. So be prepared that when you're juggling with this and you're about to spray it, if you get a gust of wind and you have to turn it off quick, make sure you know that you can handle it. If you have small, weaker hands like I do, aging hands, so make sure you know how to get to your off position. Give it a couple practice runs, go back and forth.
That's off, clean,
Okay.
off.
So center is
Rinse.
off, left is clean, right is rinse. So just make sure you know in case you have to stop the stream so it doesn't blow in your face or blow on something that you don't want. And like I just said, I covered my lettuce real quick. So all right, I'm gonna go turn the hose on, guys.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, we're working in between the wind here. So Farmer John's gonna start this up.
We're doing this on dry, so you're
Yes.
not rinsing it first. You're putting it on
Absolutely,
dry.
you put this on dry surfaces.
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go, cleaning.
You can smell like chlorine or something.
Heavy chlorine smell. Okay.
All right, you guys, I stopped filming for just 1 second because I was handling the plastic. That was instantaneous. That was an instantaneous cleaning. That is insane. Now you can see a spot up there where you missed.
Well, I didn't want to go up that high.
I know,
You
I
told
know,
me not to, so.
I know. So,
Okay.
but anyway, that is crazy. It actually just worked. So, we're gonna wait for this gust of wind to stop spraying, and I want you to spray it, try to get it one more time up inside of those grooves. You see like under there where there's some dirt spots?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go into rinse mode. All right. I had to hide with my lettuce, you guys. I had to make sure that my lettuce was cleaned. So all the spots that we missed, he went over and sprayed again. You can see it does drip down into some sort of foamy cleaner, but this is incredible because this siding is absolutely, it's clean now. And just instead of standing out here letting the power washer go panel by panel, that was quick and easy, and this actually works. So we got to get ready to rinse it off now. So we're going to go into rinse mode, and then I think we're going to do the back real quick. Okay, so it seems like the rinse mode has a little bit of a different stream. So yeah, spray that way, please. We're going to get it all cleaned up, and then we're actually going to go on to the back, which isn't as bad as that side. But this is going to be Farmer John built this bed for me at the end of last year, which you guys probably missed out on because we had so much going on if you're friends to the channel. But this is going to be my new sunflower bed here. Awesome. This is a simple product to use, you guys. I think I actually recommend it. All right. You guys, later on in the day, I'm going to get another shot for you. Honestly, this did a miraculous job. So after we're done with the product, I'm actually going to put this regular sprayer onto the hose, and I'm just going to give everything in the area a big rinse down, including our pavers and our mulch, just to make sure there's no residue sitting, and make sure it's all nice and clean. But this did a great job. So now we're going to move on to the back. All right, guys, we're in rinse mode here, and I will tell you that it did an outstanding job. The only problem I have with it, it seems like the product dispenses rapidly. So with that big jug, we went through most of that just on 2 sides of the shed. And there are some areas that are going to need a little bit of a scrub, and it does say so on the side of the bottle that you may need to give a little bit of scrub for some persistent stains. This hasn't actually been cleaned in 10 years, so we'll go in and we'll get those areas straightened out. But overall, I think this product did a fine job. I just wished it stretched it a little bit further because it's supposed to be a concentrate, right? Is that empty?
I'll check it now. Oh, you know what? I can't check it now.
You got to shut the hose off, yeah.
The hose will
So, all right, guys, we just finished rinsing. We're gonna hose down the area. We're going to shut the main hose off so we can take the product off of the actual hose so we can get to straight water. So we want to get this lettuce out from underneath this plastic. But I'm very happy that I covered the plastic, you guys. You just never know when the wind is going to come, and our lettuce would have gotten soaked. So we're good though. We didn't have our mouths open, nobody drank any, didn't spray in our face. So again, use caution when you do this. I wouldn't advise that you let any one of a certain age use it. This is for adults, most definitely. So everyone needs to be careful. I would take the dogs in too if you have dogs in the yard. Yeah, I have to say this product really did work. Now, the pros of this product, I'm going to say, is that it's going to thoroughly clean any very hard to reach places, or if you just don't have the elbow grease left in you, it works fantastic. And the product did warn us that there may be some areas that you're going to have to scrub. So we have some corners here that we're going to get in and clean with a little bit more precision, but we can reach that quite easily. It took off all of the algae and mildew and just the staining. We have a little bit underneath, but that's no problem. We can get under there and fix it. But this took, 5 minutes versus hours of just washing back and forth or wasting tremendous amount of water with the pressure washer. I'm just not a fan of pressure washers. The cons, as I walk through, sorry, bear with me guys, I have a lot of obstacles behind me here. The cons is the product emptied out very, very rapidly. And this is not a small bottle.
It's a 2-quart bottle.
It's a 2-quart bottle.
2 quarts will do 400 square feet.
2 quarts will do 400 square feet. So that's what you can expect. That's how much coverage you'll get out of the size of a jar like that. So that's the con for me, is the product doesn't go very, very far, but it does clean thoroughly. So if you're looking for an area that's hard to reach or it just has stubborn stains, I think the 30-second cleaner is something that you might want to consider. So again, here it is, you guys. If you're interested in it, we're going to put a link in the description for you. So now, as we said, this is not something that was sponsored for us. This is just a review that we're doing of the product for you. So unfortunately, I don't have a discount code for you. But hey, people who make 30 seconds outdoor cleaner, if you want to work with us, hit us up, because I give it a thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
So yeah, there will be a description for this product that will take you to Amazon. It will be in the link below. So check it out. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below.
Before we sign off, so how much did we pay? We got 2 bottles for how much?
I honestly can't remember. I think it was $30-some for
So,
the 2 bottles that
2
we got.
bottles and the little sprayer, correct?
Yes, this was all came together.
Okay, so it's $30 for 2 bottles. So this was $15. It took less than an hour to do. Think about your time.
Yeah,
and
it's
how
the time,
precious
really.
your time is. If your time is precious to you, and you don't really love the idea of using a really high pressure sprayer on your siding, this is a good.
It made it easy.
Idea.
So
Yeah.
again, follow the precautions we told you about, guys. Hit the link below, and we hope you like it. Again, any comments or questions, hit us up below. Hope to see you in the next video.
See you in the
Don't
next
forget
video,
to
guys.
subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. Bye.